Hey ladies, it's Donna with Donna's Sewing Circle. How are you doing today? Well, I just came back from the thrift store and I wanted to show you what I got. I got a towel and another towel, and I'm going to make it a pant. I'm going to join these together and make myself a pair of pants. If I have enough left over, I'll also make a pair of shorts. And I'll be able to bring you along with that. There will be a tutorial. Then I bought this beautiful thing. I think it is a tablecloth. It is gorgeous. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. If you have any ideas, send them below. I'd love to see what you think. If there's a video you think I should look at to give me some ideas, or if you have an idea yourself, because it's, like I said, it's beautiful, and it feels kind of like it's a cotton. It's not polyester. It's a really firm. Then we got that. And then I bought this cute little sunflower shirt. Isn't that cute? I will probably make a little zipper pouch with that. Like I said, all these will be tutorials. Just stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. And stay tuned and watch me transform my purchases into other items, upcycle. And this, if anybody recognizes who this character is, I believe this is, oh wait, I thought this was, yeah, here it is. That's the kitty cat. I'm familiar with that, but the rest of these characters, I don't know who they are. If you know who they are, let me know. And if you have any suggestions for this pair of sweatpants, what I could upcycle it into, I appreciate it. And an update on my coat that I made. I received an order, so I will be making I'll be making a consignment. So cool, that would love to have a quilt coat. Hit me up and I'll see what I can do for you. God bless y'all. Have a blessed, what is today? Have a blessed Wednesday or whatever day of the week you happen to be watching. Also, for those of you, let me give you an update. For those of you who love to quilt with me, we're doing the sunbonnet soon next. Currently, the program I have that updates my website, DONNA'S is down. It won't be up until like August the 24th. So I can send this to you if you contact me on my website, DONNA'S and let me know that you want a copy of this, and I will send it to you. And then you can start cutting out the little pieces and getting ready for the quilt. So that would be awesome. And this, I haven't cut it off yet, cut it out, but this is our beautiful pattern for Sunbonnet Sue. So look for that. I start in-person classes Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's a 6-week course, and I start Tuesday and Wednesday. I have 4 classes spread out on those 2 days. So you're gonna notice my uploading will slow down a little bit because I'm getting older and this stuff wears me out, driving and teaching and then coming back home and doing my regular housewife chores. So my uploading may fall to about once a week, at least while I'm teaching classes. So just bear with me, and I hope to start this. I'll have to make the quilted coat first, and then I will start this quilt. So if you're wanting to know what's going on, thanks for listening in, and I will see you all on the next upload. God bless.